Hey Levi, just looking at your website. It looks like you got a fair amount of content on here, so that's nice. The layout looks pretty nice. You have 864 words, so it's not too bad. Um, you know, you could have more. Google loves content. The more content, the better. You can never have too much. It'll just help you get more keywords as well as it will help. It'll help you ranking. Next thing is these images. You'd want this to be saved as a keyword, so roof repair Oklahoma City or roof repair OKC or whatever, metal roofing OKC or whatever keyword you want to rank for. It's just a missed opportunity if you don't do that. A lot of people don't do it. Um, Google, it can't see what photos are, but it sees what they're saved as, and then it can give you a keyword based off that. Go in here, type in roof repair Oklahoma City. First, there's ads up here. These yet to be verified by Google. They're supposed to be a little less spammy, and then you got the original ads down here, and then you got the GMB, and then you got the organic ranking. I grabbed this guy. I liked his. I like the keywords he was ranking for better than this guy's. So I just wanted to grab him and show you. Going on this guy, he doesn't have as much content. He only has 294 words, so you're beating him there, which is good. I don't remember what the other guy had, but you can always add more content. It never hurts to. Um, let's see what his images are saved as. I doubt he does it right, and he doesn't. So now you got an advantage over him because he's not taking that opportunity. Where and you can beat him with that. Plugging into Ahrefs, you got a 9 UR score, a 1.1 DR score, 6 backlinks, 6 referring domains, 1 keyword. Looks like you do some Google Ads as well. Let's see what it says for Google Ads. So these are not too bad. Volume-wise, they're location-specific, and everything, so that's good. This one's the cheapest one that you do. Um, it's coming up that not many people do. It says that no one's doing that, but obviously you're doing it. This thing's not perfect, but you probably can get the cheapest clicks for that one. This is obviously the highest one. But yeah, let's go check out the keyword you're ranking for. Let's see. Jackson Smith and Company. So yeah, that doesn't really help you there. Plug in the competitor in here. He has a 38 DUR, a DR 13, 3,220 backlinks, 187 referring domains, 307 keywords, and he's got 802 people traffic. And that's just estimated by this tool, so it's not completely accurate. Generally, it's a little underestimate, but it can be a little overestimate, like 10% of the time versus 25% of the time it's underestimate, according to what they say. So here we go. Oklahoma City roofing, 250, 31 KD. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. The lower, the easier it is. So that one's going to take some time. Same with that one, 115, 31. Let's see. Let's look for a good one. Obviously, the higher the volume. So those are all nice. It's just going to take some time. Let's see. Here's a commercial one, 124. But it's obviously pretty. It's a little bit higher in the KD. Not terrible. Here's a 40 and 12. So that one's easier. It's still going to take some time. Let's see. Riffers Edmund, okay. 30 and 0. So that one's going to be really fast to rank for. There's another Edmund one, 20 and 0. Another really fast one. Obviously, the volume's not near as good as the other, keywords. But you can get some, not instant, but pretty fast results with those ones. Let's see. I think on page 3 I saw some decent ones. That one I was just browsing real fast. I think you actually are doing an ad for one of the keywords I saw. The metal one. Metal roofing. OKC, 90 and 8. So that one's gonna be pretty fast to rank for. 8's not too bad, and 90 volume. So I would focus on that one. Pretty good. Get it on your website or through an image or in your content, as well as all these other ones that you like. But yeah, I mean, you can look through here and see ones that you like as well. And I can come out and do a better, like show you more about them. Next thing would be the GMB. So I grab this guy. Obviously it's location specific, so if you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. If you're not in Oklahoma City, you just got to get an address in there, either a friend or someone. But it looked like you're based in Oklahoma City. You want to make sure you fill it out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And you want to add as many photos as you can. The photos are the content for your GMB, so the more photos, the better. And then you want to get citations. Citations are directories. You want to make sure your name's the same, your phone number is the same, and your location's the same. Let's see what this guy. It's still loading. Looks like he's got 24 it's found so far. I'll just show you an example of one that's finished. But it's like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. I can get Facebook. You can get social profiles too, like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for more. There's a lot of directories out there. It's time consuming, but it's definitely something you can do yourself. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. If not, thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your feedback on this video. I hope you have a good rest of your day.